Hello everyone, Namaste Tashi Delek, and today is February 19. I'm here in Mangalore. After 20 years, I passed my college. I studied from Mangalore St. Aloysius College.
Service car wash, please.
Car wash. Bilash left his bag over there, so we are going to get it back. And after that, we'll go and have breakfast and lunch together. Lunch. So at Cherry Square was open when I was at second year. So it's been almost like 22 years.
Same style. After 20 years, man. Come here. It's good here.
This is Hoysala apartment. Still the same Hoysala apartment.
We used to sit here.
Basketball and then come here.
Correct.
Yeah. You want to eat belburi? Or else, let's go to the college canteen and eat something.
College canteen.
Yeah.
College canteen. This guy is very nice, but I don't.
So we'll
think,
come back.
I don't think he is ready right now.
Either. Aloysius. After 20 years, coming here. BCA students, yeah.
See, this is my college now, St. Aloysius, and lots of thousands and thousands of Tibetan students study from here. And thousands and thousands is too much. Oh, wow. Hundreds of students studied from here. Come. And somebody say something. Yeah. All the results will be stuck here. You remember coming to the class? Yeah.
Dude, classes are happening.
These are the classrooms. And everybody is still there. I didn't see any Tibetan right now, but then that time we used to have lots of Tibetan students out here. All right, classrooms. Kicking out from class. Come. And we used to have a canteen down there. Let's see if it's there. This is the place. This is the place. Here we used to wait like this, right? For the class. Line.
That's still the videos.
We used to have a door here, right?
Yeah, that's closed. I see that's the video
Yeah,
studio.
video
Right?
studio. This is our journalism class. Before it used to be all playground. We used to play football over here. See, now it's all under construction. And this is the canteen. We used to eat a lot over here. We used to eat gobi Manchurian and let's see what is there now. एक ये देना क्या बोल रहा है गोभी मंचूरियन है
गोभी मंचूरियन गोभी चिल्ली
हाँ गोभी चिल्ली दे दो
एक बस
और
एक चिकन
दो chicken biryani. What do you want to drink?
नो नथिंग
Lassi or fruit juice is there? 2 fruit juice, fresh juice.
you can take
Before it's all 10 rupees, 10, right? Now it's 60, 30. This is our college canteen. Here we get food very fast because students don't have time, right? So that's why it's very good. See, biryani. And we order a gobi chili.
today जो भी यार you want to sit here
Keep it on autos. To automatic. Automatic.
Jyoti Circle. Jyoti.
Jyoti Circle. Oh, yeah, Jyoti Circle. I was remembering the name. We still don't have signal here, right?
Yeah.
But Mangalore people are good. Students are very good. Now see, this is Balmata. Before it was all one way, right? One way, two way, all together. There was no divider, right?
Correct.
And then there was the Tasty Bite place, right? But Tasty Bite is not
And
there.
Coffee Day
nowadays.
was Coffee Day was also there.
Coffee Day and all. Tasty Bite is not there.
This is a new pub, Froth on Top.
And there is Hotel Prestige.
Sunil Shetty's. Sunil Shetty's.
Yeah.
Where is Cherry Square here?
Downtown.
Night out. Where's that man? Where's
This
the
was the
Cherry
apartment.
Square? Where he used to come.
Yeah.
Ank mare, yelladukka, ank mare. Where's the Cherry?
This is the Cherry Square.
To take a U-turn
Yeah.
to the Cherry.
This is Tenima Hostel. We used to eat pani puri over somewhere over there. You know, one guy used to sit, and we used to come from room. We used to eat there. Our room has to go that side, right?
Which room?
The hotel. This side. Kankanadi side.
Kankanadi only is that Father Mullah's hospital which I showed you, no?
This guy very busy, sir. Now his mind is fully occupied with so many other things.
Got it?
First I will see you later, sir. Hi, sir. Still the same, sir. Still
Same,
the
sir,
same.
huh?
No changes.
Oh, really?
No changes, sir. Yes.
Very good. This fella, very good fella.
This one only. Now only stick only is there.